All right. 10, 11, and 12, still word problems on proportions. These ones are a little bit trickier because sometimes they will have a total in there instead of just using the same rate that they always give you. It says the ratio of men to women at a certain company is 3:2. How many male employees does the company have if there are 95 employees? So what they're comparing is the males to the total. So when I look at my given rate, I want to look at that and say, okay, if my ratio is 3:2, there are 3 males for a total of 5 employees, right? 3 men to 2 women, so 3 men out of every 5 employees. So if I have 3 out of 5 for my given rate, how many men if there are 95 employees? X over 95. So 3 over 5 would equal X over 95 for the proportion I would want to solve. So 5X would equal 3 times 95 would be 285. 285, and then I divide by 5. 57. So 57 males. So we'd have 57 men out of the 95 total employees. Number 11, a certain drug is made out of 2 compounds only, compound A and compound B. To make this drug, 5 parts of compound A are used for every 3 parts of compound B. If the chemist has 192 milliliters of compound B, how many milliliters of the drug can be made? So again, we're looking at comparing B to the total amount of the drug that can be made. So if I have my given rate of 5 parts of A for every 3 parts of B, what would be the rate that we'd want to use to solve this problem? We want B to the total. So instead of 5 over 8 we want, how many of B do we have? 3 over 8. So we have 3 parts of B for every 8 total parts. And so we have 192 of B, and we want to know the total number of milliliters of the drug. And so 3x would equal 8 times 192, which would give me
1536.
1536, and if we divide that by 3, 512. So if we have 192 of B, then we have 512 total milliliters of our drug. And number 12, the ratio of yes votes to no votes in an election was 5-4. How many no votes were cast if there were a total of 7,398 votes cast? So again, we're looking for no to the total. Using the given ratio, what would I have for my first rate? 4 over 9. 4 no votes for every 9 votes cast. We want to know how many no's if there were 7,398 votes cast. So cross multiplying, we would have 9x equals 29,592. All right, and then we go ahead and divide. 3,288.
Yeah.
So we have 3,288 no votes if there were 7,398 votes cast. So when you get on the assessment, of course, they're not going to tell you which type you have, so you kind of have to watch for when they have that total in there or ask something like that. that there's a little bit different way we got to go about solving that. And